All right, so here we have
a lying French press.
Dumbbell extensions of some sort, and we can't come to a conclusion on what the name of the exercise is. Maybe a lying French press, maybe a skull crusher, maybe it's just extensions of your elbow with dumbbells in your hand, and that's what we're going to program it on your thing. It's been on most, the clients that are watching this, you guys have seen it on your plan plenty of times, and I don't remember what we labeled it as, but essentially all we're doing is we're getting in a position here to be able to load this effectively through both the shortened and the lengthened position. Here we want to make sure that we're coming back and we're allowing ourselves to kind of comfortably sit in a position where that tricep is fully stretched, right? So again, we want to get maximum elbow flexion here, right? Which is really important specifically when it comes to training the triceps. So we've seen it where the tricep is going to respond greater in that fully stretched position there, right? Respond greater. We'll probably have better hypertrophy outcomes as we're training it through that most lengthened position. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to extend straight up, right? Keeping that elbow again locked in place, right? And what you'll see where a lot of people are going wrong with this, they're putting themselves in a position where everything's kind of moving around. This elbow is not staying in one place, right? Yeah, they're getting that movement there, right? And now we're probably putting a lot more torque into that joint versus if we're staying right here and we're using a weight that we can control a little bit more. Right, we're going to put ourselves in a position where, again, we're getting that tricep nice and short at the top, but what we're really trying to train through is this lower range of motion. So even if I can't get to a point where I'm fully extended at the elbow, that's fine right there, as long as I can still control the weight, okay? And again, we're getting comfortable in that bottom position, allowing it to stretch just a little bit, so a slight pause in that bottom position, and then we're coming back up. And again, even if, as we go here, we're only taking advantage of those partial portions of the range, that's going to be fine with this exercise. We're really trying to load in that lengthened position. And that's our lying dumbbell French press elbow extension curl.